You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, originally from Spanish. It's also a name of a cut of beef, generally pronounced as skirt steak. Mexican. So in Spanish it's pronounced as arrachera. Arra, you have double R, so you really need to trill this R for quite a bit. Arrachera, chera, arrachera. In English, you can simply say it as arrachera. Arrachera, used for tacos. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.